Hello, my name is Dennis Seeman. I'm with the Samaritan Inn. I am the Chief Operating Officer / Controller at the Samaritan Inn. The Samaritan Inn has been serving the North Texas community for over 40 years. We are more than just a homeless program. We provide more than just a shelter for community members. We are a growing organization and our technology has not kept up with the times. We needed to have a more professional technology support that allowed us to grow where we needed to and to provide more structure and continuity to our operations. Our technology and infrastructure was cobbled together over the years. We knew we needed to have some more formal support and have individuals that could troubleshoot our issues without necessarily being on site. So in order to continue to have reliable systems, we need to have a different support organization for our technology. Our search for an MSP provider started with the resignation of one of our IT support persons. That caused us to kind of take a step back and look at what support we really needed and the professionalism of the support that we desired. We consulted with our board and through a generous donation from Sendero, who did a pro bono study for us, more of the elite MSP providers that would support our business. All the vendors were evaluated on several qualities in terms of service, support, technology offerings, cybersecurity, relevant software experience, more importantly, the ability to deliver, and obviously pricing in terms of the agreements. For our needs, it was helpful to have a MSP that could provide unique and hands-on experience and support for our users, which is something we were used to having with the on-site IT people. Our employees were used to going to individuals on-site, and we needed to have that ability to continue with that on-site support when needed. The solution-based support allows us to focus on what we do in serving our community instead of worrying about our technology. Network Elites was chosen for its strong performance, its large client base, and exemplary phone support, along with knowledge of cybersecurity. More importantly, we look to collaborate with businesses that also support our community and support our mission. Network Elites has shared a commitment in making positive impact on our community and the people that we serve. So as I mentioned, we had in-house IT support. Our employees were used to calling that person up or texting them or running into them in the office and asking them to fix their issue or deal with their issue. Dependent on that, and when that didn't happen, we saw delayed responses. We saw issues not getting resolved as quickly. We saw maybe cobbled together kind of solutions that didn't have a broader view of technology implications. Network Elites was able to transition our employees' habits to phone and email requests and provide a quicker turnaround and response. As I mentioned, Sendero did a thorough analysis of 3 vendors and ranked and evaluated them on what our needs were. Network Elites continually came out on top. In particular, their support offerings, their 24/7 online support, as well as ad hoc support. Their ability to deliver, I think, was a critical aspect of our decision. The quality of their work was also superior to the other vendors, and most of the employees were well versed in coming up with solutions and very available to us. The employee to client ratio was very favorable. And lastly, the pricing. The pricing was very competitive, and they provide real strong service level agreements with us. Network Elites has a great reputation in the industry. They come highly recommended, and every person that we have dealt with is very talented, very customer focused, and will do whatever's necessary to help us achieve what we need to.